You know, over the years, my business has taught me most about patience. I think it's easy to talk yourself out of something, you know, like a design for a complicated light fixture. It's easy to say, you know, I gave it a little bit of time and it's just not going to work. But then there's that voice that always says, keep on keeping on. You know where I think good lessons like that come from? Sticking to it, learning how to play a musical instrument. My mom bought me a guitar when I was 11 years old. And after a month of lessons, I'm like, I'm over it. And she says, no, you're not. I bought you that guitar and you're going to give it 6 months. And she put an egg timer in front of me for a half hour every day. I'm certainly not a rock star, you know, but I can noodle around a bit. You just gotta stick with it, you know? See it through. As they say, practice makes perfect.